Envision 74 and RN22E rolling labs demonstrate our ambition to become a leader in the zero-emission future. We developed each rolling lab with the goal of pushing the limits of our most advanced technology. Envision 74 is our first hydrogen hybrid rolling lab to explore driving fun in the electrification era. The iconic design is truly stunning and pays tribute to a 48-year-old dream to create Hyundai's dedicated sports car, the Pony Coupe. This grand vision can be summarized into two simple words: imagination and courage. When I first heard about the hydrogen-powered N2025 Vision Gran Turismo, I thought it was crazy. High-performance EVs require powerful motors and large batteries, which means high weight and cost. This is where hydrogen power starts to make sense, and that crazy idea from 2015 actually becomes a realistic solution. We developed a cooperative system architecture between batteries and hydrogen fuel cell technology. The fuel cell is mounted in the front of the car, and the T-type battery is in the bottom to lower the center of gravity and overall height of the vehicle. Two hydrogen tanks are positioned in the rear, holding a total of 4.2 kg. Each rear wheel is powered independently with a total system output of 500 kilowatts. The fuel cell can be refueled within 5 minutes, and alternatively, we have a separate charging port to charge the batteries. Even if hydrogen is not available, Envision 74 remains fully functional. We have 3 different separate cooling channels to cool the fuel system cell. The Hyundai Envision 74 gave us new challenges in total vehicle thermal management and overall energy management. Many of our future cars will benefit from what we learned from this project. This arrangement could even be suitable for endurance racing eventually. Both RN22E and Envision 74 will continue to be tested and verified by Hyundai's engineers, so future road cars can be equipped with their advanced technologies. The key hurdles to high-performance EVs is weight, heat management, and how to create an immersive driving experience. If we can master these, the possibilities are endless.